It's 8 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day Orlando.
Time now is 8:21. If you plan on tossing back a few beers during the football games today, you might want to make plans to hit the gym tomorrow. Straight ahead, we're going to talk to our doctor about how exercise could actually help you cancel out some of those deadly health risks associated with alcohol consumption. Welcome back to Good Day Orlando. On to the Health Watch now. You might want to chase your beer with a little exercise. New studies show exercising the recommended amount cancels out the higher risk of deadly cancers brought on by drinking. It's an interesting connection here. Dr. Brahmbhatt from Orlando Health joining us this morning to talk more about it. Dr. Brahmbhatt, good morning.
Good morning,
Good to see you.
Yeah.
So this is an interesting study. How does it work?
So first and foremost, I don't want any of our audience to have a drink right before they're hitting the gym this morning. So this study does not say that's a good idea. But the study looked at 36,000 people and divided them into those that are active and not active. And they found that those that were active essentially led healthier lives and had lower rates of cancer and death and complications from obesity and overeating. So it was interesting. It was an observational study, but what it tells us is, you know, you can have some of these luxuries in life, such as chocolates or cake or alcohol, as long as you're able to balance them out with doing something healthy, such as exercise.
Which is kind of a no-brainer, right?
Duh, I mean, you would think so.
Don't we know this already?
You would think so, but the average American drinks about 100 calories worth of alcohol, which has no nutritional content on a daily basis. That equates to almost a 10-pound weight gain over the year.
Per day?
Per day. And actually, about 20% of men drink about 300 to 500 calories a day of alcohol. So there's definitely a problem. And what people don't realize is that what they're doing as a luxury may lead to health detriments in the future, such as cancers, oral cancers, liver cancers, and even breast cancer is linked with excessive alcohol intake.
Wow. Okay, so how much do you have to work out, according to this study, in order to cancel those effects? Do they say?
Well, if you think about 100 calories, burning 100 calories could mean, you know, walking for a certain point of time, or it may mean running a mile, you know, at certain paces. So there's a lot of different activities that you could do, but it's just do something. You know, most Americans don't do anything.
Other than lifting at the remote?
Exactly. Or lifting their mug of beer. I mean, so there's definitely mean activity. And, you know, the American Heart Association recommends 150 minutes of moderate activity a day. So that's either a brisk walk or a jog or some kind of muscle activity to get your heart going.
150 minutes, you said?
150 minutes, about 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week.
Okay,
3,
all
6,
right.
9, 12, 50. Yep,
Yeah.
that counts.
Good math, my friend. Where can people get more information about you and also about the study?
Yeah, you can see the study. I tweeted about it earlier today at Jamin Brahmbhatt on Twitter or Facebook, and you can find us on OrlandoHealth.com.
So if you have that extra beer, you might have to add a couple extra miles onto the treadmill.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's easy enough to remember. Dr. B, thank you.
Thanks, Andrea.
Good to see you as always. All right, stay with us.